Next, we're going to talk about our sectional docks. With a sectional dock, one of the real nice features is a clean look. As you can see, in a lot of ways, it just looks like a really sturdy table out there. And with that, you have no uprights sticking up over the top of the deck. Everything works its way downward. So as we work our way down, you can see you have a nice 2 3/8 square pipe with a telescopic adjustment with a 2-inch underneath, with adjustments between 36 to 54 inches. It also comes equipped with additional support bars to make sure if you're in an area that's a little bit more wavy or a little bit more deep, that you are tight and secure out there. Additionally, you have a channel. This channel is 5 inches apart for every type of accessory that you can possibly put on your dock system. Literally no drilling with the JB Lund Sectional Dock. We have gray and we have beige decking, and all of our sections are 4x10, and we do have special order sections if you're needing a slip with a little bit more width of up to 12 feet. This is the JB Lund Sectional Dock with Lake Reader's Digest.